Welcome back to the 1 million mile road trip. Well, it's finally here. We put our house up for sale, and we've already showed yesterday. Within 4 hours we showed it 4 times. We put it up for sale. Within 4 hours we had 4 people wanting to look at it. But here it is. We have 1.78 acres, goes all the way over to the pine trees. It's a 1925 house that we redid completely. The RV right now is in Tennessee, but you know, I don't know if if it'll sell quickly or not. We live right there on a country road and outside at the very end of Boaz, Alabama. We got 5 pecan trees, a couple of oak trees in the yard, a 2-car detached garage with a storage unit on the side, and then we have also a carport in the back. We've redid the house completely. New plumbing, new insulation, foam insulation in the walls, and new electrical in the house. A lot of our stuff to clean out up there. It's got a nice front porch here, and just a semi-country look and feel. It's got a living room with a fireplace. It's a little too warm to get the fireplace running, wood fireplace on right now. Shiplap walls. Nice tile shower. Sleigh bed can be purchased, and even cat Moses on the bed. TVs can be purchased with the house. It's got gas, city gas, butane gas, stove, new microwave. Comes that you can have a 2-year house or house warranty with the house. 1925 house, of course. The kitchen has been completely redone. Gas, stove, new microwave. It's got a oven, refrigerator. All appliances come with the house. Farm sink. It's got a new Whirlpool dishwasher, Just a really nice kitchen. Tile backslash, nice big drawers. These drawers self-closing. It's got a nice pantry. Washer and dryer, it can come with the house also. We're not going to be carrying any of this stuff in the RV. Everything is for sale, except a couple of items. That table and that back room is a YouTube room. Right now we're doing some live streams and stuff in there, but that is actually a bedroom, but we got a green screen, a couple things in there right now. That's a bedroom. We've got some homemade wine going here in the hallway. We have here is the large master bedroom bath. It's got a nice big shower, here glass enclosure, single sink, and a tub with a tile enclosure. And my wife wanted this in the bathroom. Chandelier. And then we have the master bedroom. It is we have two windows there on it, and then we have the closet. Is got a big farm door. I can't think of the name of it now, but and then it has another closet here with a nice surprise in the closet. It also comes with one of these electric fireplaces with the TV here. And if you bought the house, you get we have a little tin roof type thing there, just to add some things to the farmhouse feel. It has a secure closet with a safe in it that we use for valuables. It's hidden closet. It also comes with the house. Okay, well, as soon as we sell the house, we are going to be back on the road again. And if you know anybody looking for a nice house, a nice farm type house in a nice quiet small community in North Alabama, send them our way. It's very reasonable priced. It's $175,000, and we are looking to sell now. So I hope we have luck in selling it. God bless everybody, and we will hope to see you on the road. Hold on a second. And the house has the original floors in it. Just polyurethane hardwood floors. My lovely wife.
And ladies, I was sitting at the table finishing up my Bible study and listening to one of my cooking things on Facebook when my husband walks in with the camera. I was not dressed. I don't have my makeup on. Back it up. Have my makeup on. And he filmed dirty socks in the floor. I'm just hoping that he didn't film the whole bathroom. So anyway, y'all, if you have a husband like mine, it's okay.
You better keep him.
Better keep him.